Welcome back, fam. I see you. I know what it feels like to wake up heavy, tight shoulders, racing thoughts, a restless night weighing on your body like bricks. But you showed up. And in the next 5 minutes, we're going to let go of that weight physically, mentally, emotionally. One of these stretches will instantly soften your breath. Another will create space between your shoulders where you've been holding everything. And the final one, you'll feel the shift. It won't just change your body, it will change your day. Most people rush into the day carrying tension from the day before, but not you, not today. Let's start slow, let's start soft. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with surrender, the kind that tells your body it's safe to relax. Kneel with your big toes together, knees apart. Reach your arms forward and melt into your chest toward the floor. Rest your forehead down. Let your elbows be soft and breathe into your belly. You're gonna feel a gentle stretching in your hips, lower back, and shoulders. I promise this pose will calm your nervous system, decompress your spine, and start releasing tension you didn't even know you were carrying. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest or forehead. Advanced stretches, walk your fingers further and widen the knees. Here's a little secret. This pose activates your parasympathetic nervous system, aka your rest and restore switch. Keep this one in your back pocket. Let go of your jaw, your eyebrows, your shoulders. Hold for 5 more seconds. Can you feel your back soften with each breath? If not, breathe deeper. It's working. That just grounded your body. Now let's bring some motion into your spine. Now that we've settled, we're going to gently awaken, not with force, but with fluidity. Come into tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, press the floor away, cat pose. Move slowly with breath. You're going to feel a wave-like movement through your spine, top to bottom. I promise this will release spinal tension, reset your posture, and give your back your natural rhythm. Beginners, keep the range small and steady. Advanced stretches add small hip circles or slow shoulder shifts. This move is priming your back for deeper release in the Sphinx stretch coming up next. With each round, make the motion 1 breath deeper, 1 degree slower. Are you rushing the exhale? Breathe it out. Let your spine follow. That just opened your spine. Now let's gently expand it. This is where we reclaim space through the front of the body, through the lower back, through your breath. Lie on your belly. Bring your elbows under your shoulders. Forearms parallel. Press into the floor and lift your chest. Keep your legs relaxed, shoulders down. You're going to feel a gentle back bend like you're lengthening the lower spine and lifting from the heart. I promise this move will decompress your lumbar spine, reset your posture, and give you the lift you didn't know you were craving. Beginners, keep elbows slightly forward. Advanced stretches, press palms into the mat, lift a little higher. Here's a little fun fact. Opening the chest improves lung capacity, and a single deeper breath can slow your heart rate by 10 beats per minute. Now here's a challenge. Stay soft, don't clench, breathe into your belly, and hold for 5 more seconds. Are your glutes tense? Relax them. Let your spine lift, not your tension. That just opened the front of your body. Now let's twist out the upper back. This one right here gets into places your foam roller can't. It's like a massage from the inside. Return to tabletop. Slide your right arm underneath the left. Lower your right shoulder and cheek to the mat. Keep the left hand grounded or reach it forward. You're going to feel a twist through the upper back, tension releasing from the shoulder blade and neck. I promise this move will relieve upper back pressure, improve thoracic mobility, and let go of shoulder tightness caused by stress. Beginners, keep hips high. Advanced stretches, shift weight slightly back to deepen the twist. This twist prepares the body to fully integrate breath and posture in the final stretch. Now, challenge your body. Soften your shoulder, hold the twist for 5 deep breaths. Can you feel the space between your ribs opening? That's breath room. That just unlocked your right side. Let's do the same for the left. This is your chance to release what's left. Not just in your muscles, but in your mood. Slide your left arm under your right. Lower your left shoulder and cheek to the mat. Right arm forward or overhead. Keep hips square and soft. You're going to feel a deep grounding twist connected to breath. I promise the stretch will release residual tension, center your breath, and align your spine for a calm, focused day. Beginners keep it gentle. Advanced stretches deepen the twist by pressing into the ground and shifting the hips slightly. Sink into the twist, breathe slowly. Be still for 5 more seconds. Can you let your breath carry the weight here? If so, you're doing it right. You just opened your back, softened your shoulders, and brought your nervous system back to baseline. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.